Did you get the meaning of this word? Where did you get that car from? Hey Jack, what time did you get home? Come on, did you get my message? Get. Get is an informal verb, a very common verb. We use it in English, mostly in informal speaking and listening. Get has many different meanings. It's used in different idioms, and we use it less in formal writing. And today we're going to understand different meanings of get. So guys, watch this video to the end. Okay guys, let's start with the first meaning of get. Look at this sentence. I don't get the joke. So what does get here mean? That's right, get here means understand. Understand. So I don't get the joke means I don't understand the joke.
Okay, this is weird. I don't get the joke.
It's just central.
I don't get the joke.
That's because I don't get the joke.
The second meaning of get. I got your letter. I got your letter here means I received your letter. There's a pronunciation tip here, guys. When T and Y come together, they are pronounced che. So we say, I got your letter, okay? I got your letter.
Here.
What do you think? I got your letter.
I got your letter.
Yeah, I got your letter.
I got a letter.
The third meaning of get. Where did you get your hat from? Where did you get your hat from? What does get here mean? Yes, get here means buy or purchase. So where did you get your hat from means where did you buy your hat from? There's another pronunciation tip here. D and Y, when they come together, they are pronounced je. And T and Y, when they come together, they are pronounced che. So we say, where did you get your hat from? Okay? You need to repeat if you want to have this pronunciation.
Where did you get this? Where?
Hey, where'd you get the car?
Where did you get that from?
The fourth meaning of get. I get $30,000 a year. That's a lot of money. So what does it mean? Get here means earn. Yes. So it means I earn $30,000 a year.
I get $1 million. I get $1 million. I get $1 million.
The fifth meaning of get. What time did you get home? That's easy. Get here means arrive. Yes. So what time did you get home means what time did you arrive home? Last night I got home really late and my mother was really angry.
What time did you guys get home last night?
What time did you and your dad get home last night?
The sixth meaning of get. Let's hope she gets better. So guys, get here comes with an adjective always. So let's hope she gets better means let's hope she becomes better. So here get means become. Or we can say my tea is getting cold, which means my tea is becoming cold. So here get means become.
Goran, her tea is getting cold. Goran, her tea is getting cold.
The seventh meaning of get. I'll get a taxi. I'll get a taxi. Get here means take. I'll get a taxi means I'll take a taxi.
Let's get a taxi. I'll grab a taxi.
And last but not least, we use got, which is a past of get, with past participle to speak about things that happen to us. I use it a passive get pattern. For example, I got rejected. It means that somebody rejected me. Or I got hit in the head. It means that something or somebody hit me. So as you can see, we learned different meanings of get here. I hope you have enjoyed this lesson. Do not forget to comment your own examples. And don't forget to subscribe and like us. Till the next video.